Want to know how to track product inventory in Salesforce? Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your process, this quick Salesforce explanation will walk you through everything you need to keep your inventory organized and up to date. Stick around till the end because we'll also share how you can access this software for completely free, along with exclusive bonuses. First, let's dive into the basics. Salesforce is a powerful tool that can help you not only manage your customer relationships, but also track your product inventory seamlessly. To begin tracking inventory, you'll need to set up the right objects and fields within your Salesforce account. Start by creating a custom object for your products if you haven't already. Next thing, let's talk about fields. Make sure you have all the necessary fields for tracking inventory, such as quantity available, stock level, and sales price. You can customize these fields based on your needs. This ensures that when you're adding or updating product details, everything related to inventory is tracked. The third thing to know is how to update inventory levels. Salesforce allows you to automatically update inventory levels using triggers. This means that when a sale is made or new stock is received, Salesforce can automatically update the numbers in real time, reducing manual errors and saving you time. Moving on to the fourth thing, you can integrate Salesforce with other tools to streamline your inventory management. For example, integrating with accounting or ERP software helps synchronize your product data, ensuring consistency across all platforms. You can also connect with external inventory tracking systems if needed. Next, let's talk about reporting. Salesforce offers powerful reporting capabilities, and one of the most helpful reports you can create is an inventory report. You can track stock levels, identify trends, and manage stockouts more efficiently. These reports can be customized to give you just the data you need, allowing you to make informed decisions. The sixth thing to consider is automation. Salesforce allows you to set up workflows and process builders to trigger specific actions based on inventory data. For example, if stock falls below a certain level, you can automatically notify your sales team or trigger a reorder request to your supplier. Lastly, to make things even easier, you can access your inventory data from anywhere at any time. With Salesforce's cloud-based infrastructure, you can manage and track your inventory on the go, whether you're in the office or out in the field. This makes it super convenient to stay on top of your stock. Now, here's the bonus for sticking with me. The good news is that you can try Salesforce for free. And if you use the first link in the description, you'll get access to an extended trial along with exclusive bonuses. Make sure to check it out. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to track product inventory in Salesforce. Remember, with the right setup, customization, and integrations, you can make your inventory management process smoother and more efficient. If you haven't already, don't forget to grab your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. Happy managing!